Whose idea was this? Did you think this was a good idea? Look at brother's face. Who got the paint out? Brother did? No? How'd he get it?
He built with stairs, did he?
He what?
He built with stairs.
He built the stairs?
Yes, did he?
With what?
With blocks.
With blocks?
Yes, he built the stairs, did he?
How come you didn't tell him no? Who's the big brother? You are. How come you didn't tell him no? That wasn't a good idea. Huh? Are you guys in trouble?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you think you guys should have timeouts? You don't think so? Do you think I should not give you guys any more juice?
What is funny?
Nothing's funny, bud. You guys have paint everywhere.
In your hair, Daddy? In your Daddy?
Yeah, in your hair.